Hey guys, it's me, Commander Cat, and we've got our guest star, Spy Kitten.
Hey guys!
Today we are doing hybrid animals. I'm doing my McLion, and she's doing McCat on her tablet.
Oh, totally.
Let's get to this. Oh yeah, we had just started our journey. We had just found the perfect house, and now we're back at the starting point. Wonderful.
McLion
McLion has never died. We're on level 27 so far.
Wow.
Yeah, McLion has never died. Because McLion is awesome. And McLion also has the giant power.
Same here with McCat. She started with he or he. I'm not assuming it's gender.
It started with...
Yeah, it started with the one power. You know, the giant power. But it has actually gotten a lot of different powers. It's gotten the healing one.
Yeah, McLion also started with the jumbo power. I just forgot. How do I change the power?
I'll show you in a second. Weaken, and then there's Screech. That's what I have.
Oh, Jesus. Yeah, there we go. Okay.
You know what works? You can literally just, like, shove yourself in your house. That's what I usually do when I don't want to be in a battle. Like, run to the home.
Well, right now I'm on a journey to get back to my my new place. I mean... I've just got to follow the cobblestone path.
Made cobblestone path.
Partially. What I did was I made cobblestone paths, and then I placed them in places so that I could find my house.
What?
There was an angry dude attacked someone who was like angry. Wow, I'm mad, and you're gonna pay for it. I'm mad, and you're gonna pay for it. Did you notice that we got 2 new goats?
Really?
Yeah. There's one goat named Halo, and then the other goat I don't think it has a name, but it's got like a black afro.
Look, I have a chair and I'm sitting in it.
Nice. I have a chair at my house too.
It's that time.
I just gotta find my house. I need my home. I know there was like a pond somewhere, and then there were some like rocks and like iron. Hey, look, there's some iron.
Nice.
Maybe I'm there.
I need an iron pickaxe badly.
Here we are. That's a rock. Oh my god, I'm a moron. It's a rock. Oh my god, I'm a moron. That's a rock. Let's go this way. Maybe it's over here. Oh Jesus! Oh Jesus! Oh, you're gonna be angry on me? I'm gonna kill you then, okay? Yeah, just go away.
How many points you got that you can use? I'm gonna fight this
right
guy.
now.
I'm fighting this guy normal.
Maybe it's near these rocks. Oh my gosh, there's an ultra, one of those weird things here.
Oh yeah, those rare things. I love those things.
Oh yeah, I remember how to change my powers. Manage powers.
You don't have any new powers because you have to, like, do you know what to do to evolve it?
Yeah.
You should. I have an idea. I'm gonna go on this, like, amazing journey.
Come on, I leveled up.
I'm gonna go on an amazing journey.
New power! Yeah, heal.
Nice, that's a good one. Heal is one of my personal favorites.
So now I've got my second power, guys. And it's gonna be awesome because I'm gonna come over here and beat up this level 19. Not using my giant powers because I don't want to be that rude. Ah, come on, never mind. No, I'm not gonna beat him up right now. I'm gonna just continue looking for my house because I kind of need that, you know? You know what I'm feeling right now? I need my house. That's what I'm feeling. That's what I'm feeling right now. Someone literally came up behind me in PE, 3rd period, and kicked me. So I glared at her throughout 5th and part of 4th, so she started crying in math class.
Wow. She's in those grades where she starts having, like, the periods.
Yeah, the 7 periods, 7 classes.
She has a different school than I do.
Yeah, I go to Centralia schools. Centralia schools rule.
I'm not mentioning my school, so,
Speaking of which, I got an email from your school.
Really?
Yeah.
Why?
I don't know, but they left me a message.
Why? Oh,
I don't know, but I'm pretty sure it was for,
You know, I'll fight you.
you know who, your guardian human. So I didn't actually listen to the message. So I thought I'd keep my nose out of that.
I wonder if it was about how good I am in class.
I'm gonna just kill this dude because he's being angry at me, and I don't like it. He's being angry at me, and I don't like it.
Power. Poison sting? Seriously?
Wow, that sucks.
I don't like this
Just
one.
wow, that sucks. What level is it at now?
1.
Oh, so that's your first time getting that power on here, that time here so far. Yeah, I'm like McLion or something, and you're McCat.
Wait.
I almost did McCat, but then I decided not to copy you because I didn't want to like copyright. I don't want to be copyright.
You know the Tree Clan thing I made?
Yeah,
Well, I watched this YouTuber, and he made up his own clan called Tree Clan.
that doesn't matter. Me and so Silly Monkey. Her new code name on here is going to be Monkey Chaser. She asked me to do that for her.
Okay.
And, hey, I recognize that rock.
You do?
Yeah, that one right there with the iron sticking out of it. Yeah,
I have that
recognize
same rock near that same tree, near that same stick.
Cool. Anyways, me and her, we made up this song. It's a parody of, Santa Claus is Coming to Town. And it's, Shadow Clan is coming to town.
Oh,
Shadow Clan is coming to town.
amazing.
Shadow Clan is coming to town. Then I added the part that they've got their leader. They're checking him twice, trying to find out if he's naughty or nice. Oh no, God, it's Tiger Claw. We're all gonna die. Tiger Claw, we're all gonna die.
Soon I'm totally gonna, get you in with the Christmas gifts.
Okay, so I recognize that rock, but it's nowhere near my house. Because my house, I like to have my house like at depths of 92 usually. Because I feel 92 is a really nice area. It's a nice neighborhood. Nobody really comes around no more. Because they know I'm there. Yeah, nobody comes around too often, you know. And yeah, it's just a general area that's pretty nice. I've got some some titanium or uranium here or something.
I like to hang around
know what
Spawn so I don't have to go on this huge journey for my house.
Oh, well, I have a house next to Spawn, too. But, you know, I just really like going on big journeys to find my house, because then I can get so much more stuff.
True. No. I'm a level 42. What level are you?
I'm only 37. I only got this game yesterday.
But that's still good for just getting it yesterday and doing all the episodes.
Yeah, I've already posted episode 1. Ah, I just got Fireball.
Nice, that's a good power. One time I was just playing alone and I had...
Wait, do I recognize this one? Oh my God, I recognize that rock too. Wait, I've been here like 12 times. I think I'm going in circles now. Oh my God, there's that piece of gold that I remember. And there's that lake. I know that lake too. I think I'm heading in the right direction.
Didn't you hear me yelling?
No?
I said one of the kids...
Okay, I've got to pause this video. Just a moment.
I just did pause when he... But there
Okay,
wasn't
guys.
when I was near.
Okay, guys, I'm back. I had to sort some stuff out of what I want to eat tomorrow, and yeah, it was complicated. I had to make a hard decision, and it was hard, and I didn't like it.
There's
like
only
it.
titanium near spawn. For mine, there's only titanium near spawn.
Fluzziness.
What level are you right now?
Right now, I'm level 38.
I'm level 50.
I'm leaving some berries and sticks inside of a random basket out in the wilderness.
Wow. But you can use those
You know,
sticks.
I'm going to, taking the sticks with me. And I'm leaving a path with it so then it'll be more recognizable.
Because you still want those berries.
Yeah. Because my hut down by the spawn point is actually my hut for berries. I have a basket that I'm putting like berries and potions in. There, yeah. And I've got an anvil there just in case. Okay, I don't recognize this pond, so I think I might be going the wrong way. Or, I just haven't really gone this way. I think I'm stupid right now, and I'm probably, like, right next to my house and don't even see it. Like that time on Minecraft where we were journeying around and we thought, oh, it's going to be so long to get back home, and it turned out we were in our hunting grounds.
Oh, yeah,
That made us feel like true morons.
I found a rock inside a rock.
Okay, so I know there's, like, rocks near my house. Like, big rocks.
Ooh, more titanium. That means I'll be able to make a whole titanium bar.
I've got a couple titanium bars with me. And then I've got some more in my basket at home, I'm pretty sure. Oh my god, I found an acorn. Or a nut, or whatever.
I've found a lot of those.
Yeah, I don't go to this area very much, apparently. So, I don't get much.
Okay, let me find how many acorns I have.
There we go, another
There's
fireball
one.
tower.
Apparently I only have one.
Well, this neighborhood isn't very happy. I wonder why. What kind of eggnog did you guys have with your Oreos? Hopefully none, because that would be kind of weird.
Yeah.
Oh my god, I found a stone path! This is a good thing. Totally a good thing, okay? Yeah.
Their house is right there.
Oh my god, I'm in... Spawn point! Really? Well, I might as well drop any berries I have with me. Oh, I'll take this stone. Or not, Yeah, okay. Okay, let's see. What will I leave? I'm going to just a second. I have to craft some iron bars. There we go, got an iron bar.
When you spin a basket, it literally does nothing.
There we go, another cobblestone path. I think I'll leave my acorn here, too.
Interesting.
I'll take that stick with me. And I mean, since I'm here, I might as well get the uranium or titanium or whatever it is.
I just wasted my healing power.
Why?
I accidentally just, used it on myself for no reason.
Oh.
I'm gonna pick up the shack.
Okay, I've got to stay close to these paths. And I'm going to place more paths soon because I need to be able to find my house a lot easier than this.
Is it weird that for some reason in Warriors, some people think Blue Star is actually blue?
She's gray.
I know, right?
What kind of idiots are these people?
I don't know.
Huh? What kind of idiots? I need to know these people, and I'm going to hunt them down and explain to them with a 30-minute lecture how Blue Star isn't blue.
Well, I watched a video of it, and it was only 1 minute 30 seconds.
Are you sure it wasn't like a warrior taken seriously or something?
No. I think I'm ending this video, so bye, and please subscribe.
Yeah, I think I'm going to end mine too for now.
So please subscribe.
Please subscribe. Bye, guys.